Hello everyone, welcome to Laret Academy. In this tutorial I want to show you how you can paste and maintain the column width. Paste and still maintain the column width of the data set you copied. Now if you look at these two rows, the columns, the column A and column B, you can see that this is wider. Column B is wider than column A. But if I copy these two data sets starting from A2 and copy it down to B10, I'll click on copy and I click on where the next location where I want it pasted. If I just click on normal paste, I'm going to be having this. It's maintaining the same column size or column width. But if I want the column width in the destination data to be maintained where I am going to be pasting it, in the source data to be maintained in the destination data. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here and click on this keep source column width. When I paste with keep source column width, it's going to give me the exact column width which I have here. Now let me do an adjustment here. Adjust this and let's make this one smaller. Then I'm going to copy again and you are going to see how it's going to paste it. I'm going to copy this and come down here, or let's say forward here, and I'm going to click here and click on keep source formatting. You can see that. So it's pasting with this column size. The column width here is wider than the column width in B, and we are having the same in the data which we just pasted. So that is how to paste maintaining the column width. Thank you.